Hello kids, today we are going to study chapter 6. All of you open your book, page number 152. Page number 152, chapter 6. You know this is our last chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Data handling. Once more, what is the name of the chapter? Data handling. Exercise 6.1, page number 152. Now, you know what do you mean by data? D-A-T-A, data, not data. What is it, students? Data. Data means anything if you are collecting group of things, collection of things. What do you mean by collections? Those are a cheese, many things. It is called data. Once more, what do you mean by data? Data means anything, group of items. It is called data, collection or groups of things. Now, data, there are two types data we are collecting by easy methods showing by pictograph. First, this year we are going to study which one? Pictograph. P-I-C, pictograph. Pictograph means showing the picture. From the words you can understand pictograph means what, students? Showing it's a picture. By seeing the picture and you have to understand how many it is. Now look here. Exercise 6.1. Look the first question. Apples are sold in the month of October. First week, second week, third week, fourth week. Here it is shown 1 kg, 1 basket, how many kg? 1 kg. Once more, this is the showing the key. Key means anything what is it is shown the picture, we have to understand. Otherwise, you will think 5 kg, 2 kg like that. But in the picture, it will show it is how many kg? 1 kg. That means 1 basket full of apples. How many kg? 1 kg. Can you say this first week how many kg? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many kg apples in first week? 8 kg apples sold. Sold means selling. Or second week, how many kg apples? Only you have to count the baskets. Why? Because 1 basket means 1 kg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second week, how many kg apples? 9 kg. If you are writing like that near the question, it is the easy way to write the answers. What is the name of this one, students? Pictograph. Why? Because it is showing the picture. In third week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 kg apples. Last fourth week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7 kg apple. Can you say what is the total? That means all we have to 1, 2. Easy way you should add this on. And like that some picture is given. Then after that 3 questions are given. You should read the question and you have to write down the answer. Look the first question. How many kg of apples sold in the month of October? That means this is the full October month. How many kg of apples sold? How to find out answer? You should add these all numbers. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 7, 30. And you should know how you got 30, students. You should add these all the numbers. You will get the answer 30. Otherwise, you can count this all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. If you count, you will get the answer 30. So, can you say in the month of October, how many kg of apples sold? 30. How you got 30? You have to add these all the numbers. 8 plus 9. Or if you are adding this way, 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 8, 30. So, what is the first one answer? 30 kg. First one answer is 30 kg. Easy, no? In data handling means the picture is shown. From the picture we have to write down the answer. Now, in which week was the maximum apples were sold? What do you mean by maximum? Maximum means सबसे ज़्यादा. In which week it is sold the apples? Maximum. Minimum means very less. Maximum means very good. That means सबसे ज़्यादा. Now look here. In which week? First week 8 kg. Second week 9 kg. Third week 6 kg. Fourth week 7 kg. Which week is the maximum? That means more in the second week. So what you have to write down the answer? You should write the answer second week. Second week. How many kg? You should write bracket 9 kg. Our answer is second week. How you got second week? Because in the month second week they sold 9 kg. First week 8 kg. 9 kg is more than 8. Now look the third question. How many more kg apples were sold first week than third week? थर्ड वीक में से फर्स्ट वीक कितना ज़्यादा एप्पल सेलिंग कर लिया? फर्स्ट वीक हाउ मेनी केजी? 8 kg. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वीक एंड थर्ड वीक. फर्स्ट वीक दैन द थर्ड वीक. थर्ड वीक इज 6 kg. First week is 8 kg. How to find out answer? 8 kg minus 6 kg. So answer is 2 kg. And you should know how you got answer. First week 8 kg. Third week 6 kg. How many more apples were sold? So 8 minus 6, answer is 2. And you should know, students, by showing the picture and from the picture we have to write down the answers. So in the book you have to write the each kg apples near, you should write the total and you have to write down. Then in the book you should write down the answer. That also it is given the pictograph. Now look here. Number of books issued from the library during the week. 1 week from the library, how many books are given to the students? In look here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 6 days are given. Then 1 book, that means if the one picture means how many books are there? 10 books. One picture shows how many books? 10. It is given in the question. From the question you have to understand it is one picture. That means how many books, students? 10. How you know 10? Because it is written in the question. One books represents 10. Then you have to see this one. 6 days the books are issued from the library. From the question you have to write down the answer. See the first question. What is the information does the pictograph give? What is the meaning of that one? From the pictograph, what we have to, which information is given? That means what we have to understand. How we know? It is written the main heading. Number of books issued from the library during the week. That is the first one answer. First one answer you should write down what is written in the heading. Number of books issued from the library. Issued means distributed. बच्चों को दे दिया. Issued from the library. That is the first one answer. Understood now first one? Once more, what information does the pictograph give? That is the first question. That means from the pictograph, what you have to understand? Number of books issued from the library. That from the all any pictograph, the main heading what is, that is the answer. Now see the questions. What does the small book represents? Now look here. One book one picture 10 books. Monday, can you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 10, 70. Understood? Monday, how many books are issued? 70. How you got 10? 70 answer. This number, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiplied by 10, 70. Then, Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 10, 50. Tuesday, how many books issued? 50 books. Then Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means, can you say this small half of the book is given? This big book is represents 10. That is, it is given in the question. Then small book represents 5. Half of 10. That means 10 ki आधा. How many books? 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 plus 5, 45. 40 plus 5, 45 books. Understood once, students? How you got 45? Now in Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 10, 60 books. Then Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 10, 80 books. 80 books. Then last Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 30 plus 5. 30 plus 5, 35 books. First, in your book, you have to write down these numbers. Then very easy, you can write down the answers. Now, the second question, what does the small book represents? I told you the small books represents. Big book means 10, half of that big book, 10 half 5. So, you should write here answer 5 books. What is the first second answer? 5 books. Big book represents 10. Small books represents the 5. Which day least number? In first question I told you maximum means सबसे ज़्यादा, least means सबसे कम, very less book. First week 70, 50, 45, 60, 80, 35. Can you say which week is the very less books? Least means less. Saturday. What is our answer, students? Saturday. You should write down the answer. Saturday. Saturday. Bracket. How many books? 35 books. 35 books. In Saturday, 35 books. Least means less. Now, fourth question. Which day most number? In first question we studied maximum. That is the same meaning is most. Most means more books. Least means less. Less books. Here which day most number of books? 70, 50, 45, 60, 80, 35. Can you say which is the biggest number here? 80. 80 is which day? Friday. So what is the fourth one answer? Fourth one answer is Friday. Can you say Friday? How many books issued? 80. Bracket, you have to write down the 80 books. Easy now? By seeing the picture, how to reach total books issued. How to find out total? You should add this all the numbers. Total means this all we have to add 35, 80, 60, 45, 50, 70. Now look here how to add. If you don't know to add, you have to write here one side, then you have to plus it, students. Look, 35 plus 80 plus 60 plus which number? 45 plus 50 plus 70. These all the numbers we have to add it. Yes. Is equal to add 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Then carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 3, 26, 26 plus 8, 34. So total how many books issued? 340 books. Teacher is added like that. If you don't know to add, you have to add the horizontal way. Understood now? Now see the third question. You should write down the answers in the book, and this addition, if the book there is no space, you can do in the rough copy, then you can write down the answer. Easy understood now by what is the name of this one? Data pictograph. Now see the third question, question number C. Languages taught in the school. In a school, there are different languages taught in the school. Different languages. In your school, you are studying English, then your mother tongue is Hindi, the two languages. Like that in a school, there are different 5 languages. French, English, Hindi, what is this one? German and Japanese. How many languages taught in this school? 5 languages. How to read it? French, English, Hindi, German and Japanese. In a school, there is different types of languages taught. Then, see the pictures. One head means how many students? 50 students. If you are showing the one picture, that is the 50 students. Then in French, how many students taught? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 50 multiplied by 5. 250. How many students studied French? 250. How you got 50? 250, here it is given, one picture means 50 students, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Easy method, you should count how many pictures, then multiplied by this number. Now English, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiplied by 50. You know 7 5s are 35. You should write 35, then add the 0. Now Hindi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 multiplied by 50. 8 5s are 40, then 400. Now see German, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 multiplied by 50. 4 5s are 20, then add 200 students. Now Japanese, 1, 2, 3. 3 multiplied by 50. 5 into 3, 50, then you should add the 0. First you have to write down this, then only you can write down very easy answers. Now, how you know 1 is 50? Because in the question it is given, one picture shows 50 students. Now see the 4 questions are given. You should write down the answer. First question. I won't help you. You have to, teacher showed the 2 questions. Third one you have to practice. Little help I will give. How many students learn Hindi? See the question and say answer. How many students learn Hindi? How many students? 400. You got no answer? Very easy. You should write down the answer 400 because we already done here. Next second, how many more students learn French than English? 50 minus 250. 350 minus 250. So our answer is 100. Understood students? How you got 100? Both we have to minus. French 250 students, English 350 students. So 100 students more learned English. Now the third question. Which language is least number of students? Least already I told you. Least means very less students. French is 250, 350, 400, 200, 150. So which language students learn very less? Japanese. So what is answer? Least means very less. So answer you should write Japanese. Then, can you say how many students like Japanese? Only 150. You can write down answer bracket 150. Now the fourth last question. How many students learn French and English? What is the meaning of that one? Both French or English, how many students? That means both you have to plus. French, how many students? 250 plus English, how many students? 350 plus 350. Both you have to French and English. दोनों में कितना students? Both you have to plus. Is equal to 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. Total how many students like French and English? 600 students. I think this picture graph is very easy to find out. First from the question you should write these numbers. Then very easy you can write down the answers. Understood now? Now 2 questions remaining we will study in the next class. Okay students.